How to fix WhatsApp Web not downloading files. So if you're trying to download a video or a file on WhatsApp and you're unable to download the file, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So firstly, if it's a video that you're trying to download, what you can do is try playing the video first, and then once you've played the video, you can then go and try download the file. Now if it's not working, what you'll need to do is click on these three vertical dots and then press log out. Now click on the log out button, click on the three vertical dots in your browser and then press settings. From the left hand side, click on privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, and then select cookies and other site data and also cached images and files. Click on more and select all time, and then go and delete your browsing data. Now once you've done this, go and click extensions from the left hand side, and you'll also need to disable or remove any extensions you currently have enabled. Once you've followed all of these steps, you can head back over to WhatsApp Web. You'll then need to rescan the QR code and sign back into your WhatsApp account, and you should then be able to download your files.